Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda: لولا ينهاهم الربانيون والأحبار عن قولهم الإثم وأكلهم السحت لبئس ما كانوا يصنعون. Translation: Why do not their rabbis and priests, jurists and scholars forbid them from evil talks or sinful words and eating what is unlawful? Surely evil is that what they are practicing. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the common man of the people of the book and their sins and their aggression and consuming illegal gain and unlawful earnings as bribe or riba. And in this ayah that is just recited, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about their scholars and about their leaders. Whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala destroys a nation, then he makes the common people of that nation just getting involved deeper and deeper in the sins and disobediences. And at that time, their leaders, their scholars become the mute evils, and they do not stop the common man doing the sins and doing the evil. And the Bani Israel did the same thing, that their common man were involved in the pleasures of this world, and they left the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the leaders, their scholars and jurists and priests and rabbis, all these people let the common man do their sins, and they did not stop them, and they did not do the Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, which means that command people to do good and stop them from doing evil. And this was because the leaders and the priests and rabbis wanted to enjoy the life themselves, and they did not want the common man to stop doing sin so that nobody can ask the leaders about their sins. So the previous nations were destroyed because of that. In Quran, Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar mentioned about 9 times, and in Hadith it is mentioned about several times. One Hadith is extremely important and very scary in this regard. This hadith is narrated by Hazrat Jabir Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and this is a hadith Qudsi in which Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala ordered Hazrat Jibreel Alayhi Salam that make that city upside down with their people. And Hazrat Jibreel Alayhi Salam said, "Oh Allah, in this city there is a man who has never done any sin equal to the blinking of an eye." Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that yes, make that city upside down first on him, then the other people, because the color of his face never changed whenever he saw disobediences against me. Now this is so scary that Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam is the witness of this person's worship and his zikr and zuhud and everything, and this person is getting the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the very reason that he was only busy in making his worship and making his zikr and his zuhud, but he never tried to teach other people. He never tried to do Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, which was a big sin, and he got the punishment of that sin in this world. This is extremely important to understand, that all the worships and zikr and every good deed is very important to get the Jannah and pleasure of Allah. But this is also first to do the Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who order other people to stop the sins and do good deeds. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.